Hi, I'm Mike Hughes. I want to show you a few things on this roof that may warrant bringing in a professional for further evaluation. Now, roofs, heating systems, those are some of the biggest things that come up during home inspections. So after our New England winters, it's always a good idea to go outside and take a look at your roof once it's clear. Now, one of the things we see over here around this vent is the shingles are pulling up a little bit. You probably have flashing underneath that. But the more that the shingles come up, the more it allows for potential moisture to go in, and then potentially going to go into the house. Now over here on this section, you can see some of the shingles are kind of bent up or popping up, and a lot of times that's just because there's a nail or something like that that's come loose and they can be tapped down. But when you have shingles lifting like that, you just want to make sure that you evaluate to make sure that there's not a bigger problem. So any roofer or handyman can take a look at that for you. And then the one last thing, anytime you have cables coming in, now this is not an electrical cable, but it's brushing on the house. So ideally you won't have any sort of friction against materials on the property because friction is going to lead to wear. So I hope you have a great spring, summer, and if you ever have any questions, feel free to give us a call.